Hello. It's not a full suit up, but it's my latest suit up. I managed to make it so my new and improved chest plate would be able to work with my arm pieces, whereas before it would just pinch me over and over and over and over and over, and it's fucking annoying. So eventually I had to fix that. Tried to make it look kind of like an Iron Man chest plate. I don't know, I just like the aesthetic of it. It looks good. I like it. I also added a Egyptian Ankh immortality symbol or whatever. I don't know. Anyways. Oh, here, wait. Should do my latest test. Polished off railroad spike. That confident. Yeah. I am this confident in my suit. I intend on making bulletproof designs in the future. Military, feel free to contract me. And this is just the beginning, pretty much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and see you later.